taking off bolts. Bolt, 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 bolt. So, boys and girls, we're gonna strip that engine down. About fucking time. We're gonna strip this engine down and get to see the nice piston inside, and fingers crossed it does not hit the head. I want to reuse the head on the
K20a2, K20a2,
K20a2.
So go to Jesse's store and look at the 9K stuff because it's good. I like it. Good stuff. I think my
sample
t-shirt is better, like, and I think Jesse, for this shout out, we need to do a 9K Stupreme cross. Go see Jesse's store. He doesn't do t-shirts yet, just stickers.
Sample
This one, and go buy something. Help the lad out. This little bastard that broke is gotta pull the head off, get the gearbox off, and then find my piston stuck in the cylinder, and then throw all the shit away I don't need, take everything off I do need, and then holy shit, that scared the shit out of me. Fucking hell. Some Chinese bird on this Bluetooth speaker scared the fucking shit out of me. Oh, right, I'm gonna get on with this. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. Fuck. Yeah, so next time if you take a K20 head off, just put cable tie around the cams. Thought it would have stayed there. Obviously not. These are all going in the bin, but I'll keep one of them as a reference when I get mine. Boom. This is what you've all been waiting for. Holy shit. Oh, I'm so like, I'll just show you. Check this piston out. This has been twatting up against the head, so that gives you the condition the head's in. But it's all broken to pieces. Damaged the head right there, and there, and obviously smashed the valves in. That one looks bent. So yeah, it's pretty fucked. I can't believe it's cracked all the way around. It's probably where the weakest bit is though, but fucking hell, that has been absolutely twonking itself against the fucking head. If anyone's got a cheap head, hit me up, because I'm in the market. It won't be until like after August now, but I've got a holiday and shit to pay for, so this is what I've been dreading the whole time. Oh, right. I'm just gonna fucking crack on. I was amused at first, and now I'm not. I have a £500 engine harness. There you are. Useless. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Come on, come on. Oh, being held together with piston rings. Holy shit. Look at this. And it's just been held together with the piston rings. That is one crazy fucking piston. That is destroyed. Lots and lots of bits. Oh, just picking shit out of the engine bay. Yeah, that's broke. Oh, that's done some damage. Yeah, a lot of little bits there. That's all she wrote. Fuck. Gearbox is still good. Clutch hopefully is still good when I take it off. All the other bits I can still use if I have. So I have spurs, but block's fucked, head's fucked, sump's fucked. The sump, you could actually get it re-welded. If anyone wants a baffled sump and wants to swap me theirs, I've got AM fittings on the end here. One for a turbo, one for a non-turbo. All you have to do is contact AH Fabs and get him to weld this up here, and it'll be a pretty good sump. And I'll be back. I've got to get the gearbox off the K20a2. I've got to get, and then get it on the engine stand, get the bottom stripped, get the head stripped off, and go from there. So down at the unit, EGE. So I'm not working on this today because I've got bigger things to do. I've got to finish stripping these doors. I'll do them in 2 secs, and then getting this engine off the subframe, getting the gearbox off, all the ancillaries, and get them all in the fucking bin. I can get it on the stand. I should be able to get it on the stand, I think, with the Alti and everything on. So I'll get it off the subframe, whip the gearbox off, put the subframe outside, get rid of the pallet, clean all this because it's been bleeding, because it's got a cracked sump. I've got a new sump there. And before I do that, I'm gonna have a quick sweep. K20a2 is off the gearbox. I'm gonna get it on the mount, drag it over, clean all this shit up, and then heck off. So I have to do some skullduggery, so I don't have to drop this back down and pump it back up. Oh, my battery's dead as well. Anyway, I'm gonna whack this on the stand, and if my battery dies, see you in a bit. So, my battery's going flat anyway, but K24 is on the stand. Lovely. There we are. I'm not gonna nut for this, so we're doing danger. Bit of danger there, but it's held up by 3 and dogged up on 04, so it's a fucking heavy lump like. Yeah, so that's gonna stay there till I source ahead.